I'm Pork Chop, and this is Pork Chop's Garage. Okay, so here is my Franken plasma cutter. It was a JD Garage unit that I picked up on Marketplace fairly cheap with the plasma cutter, and I got this Amazon the DDCS V3.3, which that was interesting figuring it all out. I jammed it all in a cabinet, which is going to need some cleaning up. As you can see, we have all kinds of bits and pieces in the process, but let's see here. It's easier to reset the metal than it is to go through and move it. But anyway, so here we are. I go through and hit go on the program. Next thing to do is add some lead ends, get the torch cleaned and adjusted, and see if it'll do multiple things, and then maybe we'll add some water to the table. Oh, hey, look, we got a fire going. Okay, fire out. So as far as the part size go, it's supposed to be cut in 1 inch. I am going to try adjusting it in the programming because I've tested the gantry with a dial indicator, and when I tell it to move 1 inch, the gantry is actually moving 1 inch. So I may have to. I'll try adjustment on the program, and then if that doesn't work, then I can make some adjustments in the menus. This thing is kind of funny. If you buy one of these things, this adjustment dongle works great, but you have to connect a second power supply back in here. So you've got basically the 24 volt ground and the 24 volt common. You have to have a jumpering those together so you have power going into 2 places. Why they couldn't stick a little jumper in the circuit board when they built it, who knows? But yeah, if you don't do that, then the dongle doesn't work. That was kind of frustrating to figure out. And getting all the little settings to work so that it would go through and turn the torch on and off, I had to add this little relay that when the machine is on, the relay is closed, which opens the circuit, and then when I tell the spindle to go on, it closes the circuit and turns the torch on, but the coil is constantly powered, and I can't seem to find a way to switch it around so it only is powered when I want the torch to come on. But maybe at some point I'll figure that out. But all in all, it works pretty good. It's nice to be able to just you know, push the little button and adjust the axis, and it very accurately moves the X or Y axis. I don't really see the need for a Z with a plasma torch when you're cutting one size piece of metal. So I don't think I'm going to add a Z, but I probably add an A so I can notch pipe. Anyway, I hope this helps. Reach out to me if you got any questions. Bye.